At Canadian LED, we recently installed a 12.6 by 6.3 foot LED screen for Global Faith Mission Ministries in Calgary. The goal was simple: change the worship experience and create a long-term, cost-efficient alternative to traditional projectors. The main challenge? The wall we planned to mount the LED on was built over 30 years ago, and it wasn't flat at all. To achieve perfect alignment, our team designed and built a custom frame, using precise shimming to make the surface completely level. In just 2 days, we handled everything: construction, screen setup, and programming. We also provided full client training to ensure the system runs smoothly for years to come. The 2.5mm pixel pitch screen delivers crystal clear visuals for both live worship and media playback. The result? A modern, immersive visual setup that completely transformed the space.
And we used to do a lot of plugging every time we wanted to project something. Mm-hmm. So we have been looking for something easy and it's easy to convenient for every cruise that we have.
Yeah.
So then we start searching, and somebody introduced us about LED.
Yeah.
Then we didn't know Canadian LED exists, and we find out.
Yeah.
So we decided, when we moved to this new location, we decided no more projector. We said let's just have LED. Then we decided to have LED. Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. Build it by themselves. They gave us a good warranty. Then like that was convenient for us.
Mm-hmm.
Without no hassle, we got
local guys.
Yeah. With the local Canadian LED, then we did all that. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll get the product, but I don't know how to mount it.
Yeah.
How to configure and everything. So all that stuff, So that for me, it's a life-saving Canadian LED. I would really recommend everybody watching this video to think and decide about Canadian LED.
Awesome.
Yeah.